I'm making peanut butter oatmeal raisin snack balls. What I have here, I have 1 and 4 cups of quick oats. You can also use any type of oats you want, like roll oats, even the old-fashioned oats. And I have the skillet that's been already preheated. I'm going to get this started, and then let's put these oats into the skillet. And you want to toast this until golden brown. You want to be careful with that. We don't want to burn the oats. Alright, once the oats has been already toasted, nice and golden brown, as you can see that. And let's put this into this mixing bowl. So into this one, I'm going to put in half a cup of creamy peanut butter. Let's plop it into these oats. Oh, peanut butter is so great, nice and creamy. I'm going to put a 1/3 cup of honey. Here's the honey. Let's plop it into this. I'm just going to put 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And then I'm going to put 1 cup of Sun-Maid California sun-dried raisins. Let's put this right into this pot. And you can see I'm stuck the raisin on. Here's one of brand name. You can see that Sun-Maid. And then we're going to combine all this together into the bowl using with a wooden spoon, or you can even use a rubber spatula. As you can see, the oats, the peanut butter, then honey, then vanilla and raisins are already nice and firm together, just like a cookie dough. Then you want to, using the ice cream scooper, and you want to just spoon that 1-inch ball. Right here, can you see that 1-inch ball? Then roll it with your clean hands. And then you want to place it onto the cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. So I just made 24 balls, as you can see it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pop this into the refrigerator for 30 minutes, and then we're going to be ready. And after about 30 minutes in the refrigerator, you can store these snack balls back in the refrigerator into airtight container for up to about 2 weeks or 1 day at a time for later. This recipe will make 24 snack balls. And here you go. Here's the finished peanut butter oatmeal raisin snack balls. Simple and easy to make. So to find out more recipes, let me know in the comments below. Give me a big thumbs up for everyone. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Then click the bell to get a notification about new videos and the latest video. As always, thank you very much for watching.